Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to delete Facebook Watch video history. So you can do this both to your PC and your phone device. So open your Facebook application and then here you have to click this picture at the top right corner and then go to settings and privacy. Click settings. Go to the left side or on the left panel. You have to scroll down here and then you have to look for your activity. So under your activity, you have to click this activity log. Then probably you will see this features and options such as videos you've searched for. And second here or below is this videos you've watched. And all you have to do is to click this one. Now, in order for you to delete Facebook watch history or video history, you just have to click this clear video watch history on the right side. Then once you tap this, what you're going to do is you have to click clear. Now you can also delete one by one or individually if you don't want to delete all. But basically, for this tutorial, all you have to do is to click this clear video watch history and it will clear all the videos that you have watched for the recent days, months, or years. As easy as that. Thank you for watching. If you want us to create a new tutorial or new topic, just please do comment down below. Please do like and subscribe to our channel and see you again in our next video tutorials.